Good morning students. Today let us see exercise 8.2 question number 4. A triangle is formed by joining the points 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Find the direction cosines of the medians. Now for solving this, let me take a triangle. CABC are the vertices. The vertices are A of 1, 0, 0, B of 0, 1, 0, C of 0, 0, 1. And these are the vertices. It is given in the book itself. Now find the direction cosines of the medians. So let ABC is a triangle, then AD is the median. Now let ABC is a triangle and AD, BE, CF are the medians. Join BE, CF, CAD, BE, CF are the medians. Now we have to find the direction, cosines and ratios of AD, BE and CF. Now since AD is the median of a triangle ABC, I can take D, E, F are the midpoints of three points. See, D, E, F are the midpoints of AD is the median, D is the midpoint of BC. BE is the median, E is the midpoint of AC. CF is the median, F is the midpoint of AB. So D, E, F are the midpoint of BC, CA and AB. Now what is the midpoint formula? Therefore we can find out here it is OA vector, it is OB vector. Let O be the origin edutonna. OA vector, OB vector, OC vector is given here. So therefore the same way OD vector is equal to, find the midpoint formula OD vector in the random. So x1 plus x2 divide by 2, midpoint formula y1 plus y2 divide by 2. இப்போ இன்னொரு ஆக்சிஸும் இருக்கிறதுனால z1 plus z2 divide by 2. So therefore D is equal to so 0 plus 0 by 2 is 0, comma 1 plus 0 is 1, so 1 by 2, comma 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 by 2. So OD vector is equal to 0, comma 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2. Same way I want to find the OE and OF. So OE is equal to OE na இந்த ரெண்டு வெக்டர் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இந்த ரெண்டையும் first number add பண்ணி divide by 2, second number add பண்ணி divide by 2, third number add பண்ணி divide by 2. So first number 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, so 1 by 2, comma. Second number is 0, 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Third number is 0 plus 1, so 1 by 2. So it is OE vector and find OF vector. OF vector is F is the midpoint of A and B. So in the ரெண்டு நம்பர் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. So first number 1, first number 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1, so 1 by 2. Second number 0 plus 1 is 1 divide by 2. இந்த formula apply பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 0 plus 1 is 1 divide by 2, 1 by 2. Third number, that is Z1 plus Z2, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Now we want to find AD. Now AD vector is equal to OD vector minus OA vector. So what is OD vector here? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா 0 I vector plus 1 by 2 j vector plus 1 by 2 k vector னு எழுதலாம். So that is I vector is 0. So 0 I vector plus 1 by 2 j vector plus 1 by 2 k vector minus OA vector is here. So x க்கு வந்து 1 இருக்குன்னா 1 into I is I vector plus 0 j vector plus 0 k vector. Now AD vector is equal to, so subtract this, only the coefficients 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So minus 0 minus 1 is minus 1. That is minus I vector. So shall I write this minus 1, comma 1 by 2 minus 0 is 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2 minus 0 is 1 by 2. Number ijk எழுதாம number கூட எழுதி find out பண்ணிக்கலாம். So AD vector is equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus 1, comma 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2. That is minus I vector plus 1 by 2 j vector plus 1 by 2 k vector. Now I want to find the direction cosine and the direction ratio. Find the direction cosines of the medians. So first let me find the R vector is equal to, so what is R vector? Modulus of AD vector, which is equal to square root of minus 1 the whole square plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1 by 2 the whole square. R na இந்த coefficients எல்லாத்தையும் square பண்ணி add பண்ணிக்கணும். So which is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. If I take see R vector is equal to அல்லது R value, so R is equal to modulus of R. R is equal to square root of, take LCM, 4 into 1 4 plus 1 cross multiply பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 4 plus 1 is 6. So root 6 divide by root 4, root cancel பண்ணா 2. So R is equal to root 6 by 2. So therefore direction cosine of AD is equal to, so direction cosine of AD is equal to, so what is ratio? Minus 1, comma 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2. This is direction ratio. So direction cosine of AD is minus 1 by, that is the formula is x by r, comma y by r, comma z by r. So which is equal to, what is x? Minus 1 divide by root 6 divide by 2, comma what is y? 1 by 2 divide by what is r? Root 6 by 2, comma what is z? 1 by 2, comma root 6 by 2. Now bring this number upside, that is take its reciprocal, it becomes minus 2 by root 6. Now here 2 get cancelled, so the answer is 1 by root 6, comma 2 cancel, 1 by root 6. So direction cosine of AD vector. So the same way we want to find out the direction cosine of BE vector and the CE vector. To find the BE vector, so one answer over, then find BE. So BE vector is equal to either OE vector minus OB vector னு எழுதிக்கலாம். So IJK எழுதாம numbers கூட எழுதிக்கலாம். What is OE? OE is 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2 minus OB vector. OB vector is here 0, 1, 0. So if you substitute this, we are getting BE vector is equal to 1 by 2 minus 0 is 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 0 is 1 by 2. You see the same one, minus 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. only the places it is changed. The x-axis la minus 1 இருக்குன்னா இங்க y la minus 1 இருக்கு. So the answer will be the same. So which implies modulus of BE vector is equal to root 6 by 2. Straight away we can write. So square root of எடுத்து solve பண்ணா இதே தான் கிடைக்கும். So therefore direction cosine of BE vector is equal to 1 by 2 divide by root 6 by 2, comma minus 1 by root 6 by 2, comma 1 by 2, comma divide by root 6 divide by 2. So which is equal to 2 cancel. So 1 by root 6. Now 2 reciprocal எடுத்தோம்னா minus 2 by root 6. Then 2 cancel 1 by root 6. Same answer தான், only this minus 2 by 6 முதல்ல xல கிடைச்சிருக்கும், அடுத்தது yல கிடைச்சிருக்கும். Then CF find out பண்ணும்போது இதே ஆன்சர்ல இந்த ஆன்சர் zல கிடைக்கும். Now let me find out CF. So if I take a CF vector is equal to OF vector minus OC vector. So which is equal to OF vector is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 0 minus OC vector is here 0 comma 0 comma 1, 0 comma 0 comma 1. So CF vector is equal to 1 by 2 minus 0 is 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2 minus 0 is 1 by 2, comma 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So modulus of CF vector, see once again square root of 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus minus 1 the whole square. So which is equal to root 6 divided by 2. So direction cosine of CF vector, another medium, is equal to 1 by 2 divided by root 6 divided by 2, comma 1 by 2 divided by root 6 divided by 2, comma minus 1 by root 6 divided by 2. So which is equal to 2 get cancel 1 by root 6, comma 2 cancel 1 by root 6, comma so taking reciprocal minus 2 by root 6. So these are the direction cosines. Direction cosine of AD is here, direction cosine of DE, direction cosine of CF vector. Hence proved. Okay, so this is the very simple problem. Now exercise 8.2, question number 5. If 1 by 2 comma 1 by root 2 comma a are the direction cosines of some vector, then find a. Here it is given direction cosine is given. So what is given? Adha modalla எழுதிக்கோங்க. Direction cosine is given. So which implies given direction cosine means I can take cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2. First number 1 by 2 it is given. Then cos beta, அடுத்த angle cos beta is equal to 1 by root 2. And cos gamma is equal to a. So direction cosines is given. Cosine na cos theta. Theta க்கு பதிலா 3 angle இருக்கிறதுனால alpha, beta, gamma. So இதுல இருந்து we want to find the value of a. So now by using this cosine formula, that is we know that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So by using this we can easily find out the value of a. Now what is cos alpha? 1 by 2. So make it as 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos beta is 1 by root 2. Take the whole square plus cos gamma is a square is equal to 1. Now it becomes 1 by 4 plus root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 1 by 2 plus a square is equal to 1. Now taking LCM for these two, 4 is the LCM. So here 1 plus here 2 2s are 4, 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 plus a square is equal to 1. So a square is equal to 1. This 3 by 4, if it comes this side, it becomes minus 3 by 4 இது ஆட் பண்ணா 3 by 4 இருக்கு. இது இந்த சைடு வந்தா minus 3 by 4. Now a square is equal to, once again take LCM 4, cross multiply 4 minus 3. So a square is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 by 4. So a is equal to plus or minus 4 square root வெளிய எடுத்தா 2. So 1 by 2. So a is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Next question. Now question number 6. If a comma a plus b comma a plus b plus c is one set of direction ratios of the line joining 1 comma 0 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 comma 0, then find a set of values of a comma b comma c. Now we have to equate the given two ratios. Okay, now here it is given direction ratios. Direction ratios means the coefficients of I, j, k components, that is x, y, z. Direction cosine கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Direction ratio னா x, y, z அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Now first of all let me take the line joining the points, that is points ன்னு கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா we want to take it as OA vector. Points அல்லது position vector ன்னு கொடுத்தா OA vector is equal to, so what it is given, 1 comma 0 comma 0. So 1 comma 0 comma 0 which is equal to I vector plus 0 j vector plus 0 k vector ன்னு அர்த்தம். Then OB vector is given as, OB vector is given as 0 comma 1 comma 0 which is equal to 0 I vector plus j vector plus 0 k vector. Line joining these 2 points now we can find out AB vector. So AB vector is equal to OB vector minus OA vector ன்னு எழுதலாம். இப்போ இதுல இருந்து இத சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. That is இந்த நம்பர் மட்டும் எடுத்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுங்க, very easy. 0 minus 1 minus 1, so minus I vector minus 1, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0, so which is equal to minus I vector plus j vector plus 0 k vector. So இது ஏன் இப்படி எழுதுறேன்னா இந்த நம்பரை வச்சு சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்றது ஈஸி. சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு then substitute I j k, then you will get a vector. இதுக்கு பேரு ஒரு வெக்டர். So AB vector கிடைச்சிருச்சு. Now what it is given, இந்த வெக்டரும் அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிற, that is இந்த டைரக்ஷன் ரேஷியோவும் இன்னொரு டைரக்ஷன் ரேஷியோ கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. These two are same அப்படின்னு எடுத்து we want to find out ABC. அந்த A என்ன, B என்ன, C என்னன்னு find out பண்ணணும். So now given A vector comma, sorry not vector, A value we want to find, A comma A plus B comma A plus B plus C is equal to, we can take the numbers, so it is very easy to solve. Minus 1 comma 1 comma 0, so numberல எடுத்தா ரொம்ப ஈஸியா சால்வ் பண்ணிடலாம். So now comparing, now equating the components, equating we get, so first number equal to first number, so A equal to minus 1, first equation. Second number A plus B is equal to 1, second, and then third A plus B plus C equal to 0, this is third. Now from 1 I can substitute second equation is equal to, so put A is equal to minus 1 in second equation, so second equation becomes minus 1 plus B equal to 1, so B equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2, so B equal to 2. Then A equal to minus 1, B equal to 2 in third equation, substitute. Therefore third equation becomes minus 1 plus 2 plus C equal to 0. இதுல A, B substitute பண்றோம். So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 plus C equal to 0. So C equal to minus 1. So what are the answers? A equal to minus 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to minus 1 is the answer. So by using this direction ratios and direction cosines, we can solve a lot of problems like this. Now question number 7. Now what is given? Show that the vectors form a right angled triangle. The vectors are 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector, 3i vector minus 4j vector minus 4k vector, and I vector minus 3j vector minus 5k vector. Now let me take a triangle. It is given, show that the vectors னு கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா you need not take the position vector OA, OB, OC ன்னு எடுக்கக்கூடாது. Straight away AB, BC, CA ன்னு எடுத்துக்கணும். So A, B, C. Aக்கு நேரா இருக்கிறது A vector, Bக்கு opposite sideல இருக்கிறது B vector, Cக்கு opposite sideல இருக்கிறது C vector ன்னு எடுத்துக்கணும். So show that the vectors. So what it is given na A vector is equal to. So what is A vector? A vector is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. So 2 I cap minus J cap plus K cap. So this is given. Here it is given as cap. Cap means unit vector it represents. So B vector is equal to, that is side AC is equal to. Is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 4. 3 minus 4 minus 4. And the C vector is equal to. So what is C vector? 1 minus 3 minus 5. So now we want to prove that the given vectors form a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means you know very well, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse the whole square is equal to opposite side the whole square plus adjacent side the whole square. Now we want to find out what it is. So first of all, straight away it is given that the vectors. So simply we want to find out the modulus of A vector. Modulus na enna pananum? Modulus of 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap is equal to square root of 2 square plus minus 1 the whole square plus 1 square. So modulus of A vector is A here. See, I can take it as A. A is equal to 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, root 6. A is equal to, the value of A is equal, that is side BC equal to root 6 அப்படினு அர்த்தம். Now find the B vector. So modulus of B vector is equal to modulus of 3i cap minus 4j cap minus 4k cap, which is equal to square root of 3 square plus minus 4 the whole square plus minus 4 the whole square. So B is equal to square root of 9 plus 16 plus 16. So minus minus plus. So 32 plus 9 is 41. Root 41. So B is equal to, that is AC is equal to 41. Then find the modulus of C vector. Modulus of I cap minus 3j cap minus 5k cap. Square root of 1 square plus minus 3 the whole square plus minus 5 the whole square. So C is equal to square root of 1 plus 9 plus 25, which is equal to root 35. Root 35. So what do you understand from this? So we can take C. 6 plus 35 is 41. So which implies I can take B square is equal to A square plus C square. So which implies what is B? AC. the whole square is equal to what is A? BC the whole square plus AB the whole square. In the step எழுதாம கூட இருக்கலாம். So B square, what is B square? Root 41 the whole square is equal to what is A square? A square is root 6 the whole square plus what is AB? That is C. C is root 35. இப்போ ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணும்போது ரூட் எல்லாம் கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். ஸோ 41 equal to 6 plus 35. So really 6 plus 35 is 41. So we are getting the answer 41 equal to 41. So here I can write by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem நம்ம எடுத்து சால்வ் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். So therefore the vectors forms a right angle triangle. Therefore the given vectors form a right angled triangle. Vectors nu கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா right away you can take it as A vector, B vector, C vector. A vector எடுக்க தெரியலன்னா you can take BC vector, AC vector, AB vector. கொடுக்காம பொசிஷன் வெக்டர் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா OA, OB, OC எடுத்துட்டு find AB, BC, CA and then proceed. Okay? Yes. Thank you.